Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Welcome to your online class of subject maths. Children, we are learning your fourth lesson, shapes. Okay? And the topics are solid figures, 3D shapes, face, edges and corners, tracing out flat shapes. In the previous video, we have learned shapes. What is this? Triangle, oval, circle, rectangle and square. Okay. Next, here you see this is a rectangle and this is called side. This is called side and this is a corner. This is a corner and this is a side. What is this? Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners, and it is a square. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. All sides are equal. And this is a rectangle. It has 4 sides and 4 corners, and the opposite sides are equal. See, these 2 lines are equal and these 2 lines are equal. A circle has no sides and no corners. See here, this is straight line and this is curved line. Okay, this is straight line and this is curved line. If we hold a string loosely in our hands, we get a curved line like this. And you can also draw lines by using ruler or any straight edge, like the edge of your book. See, edge of your book and edge of your pencil box. Next, what is this? This is standing line. This line is also called vertical line. Okay, what is this? This is sleeping line, but this is also called horizontal line, and these two are slanting lines. Okay, vertical line, horizontal line and slanting lines. Children, do this activity in your textbook. Observe this figure and count the lines and write the numbers in the given boxes. Okay, you have to find horizontal lines, slanting lines, vertical lines and curved lines. Now see this. This is squared paper. Now you have to draw 2 vertical lines, 2 horizontal lines, 2 slanting lines. Okay, by using your ruler, and also make a curved lines touching 10 squares. So today's our topic is solid figures. Children, the shape you have learned about are the square, triangle, circle, rectangle and oval. These all are flat shapes without any thickness, but many objects like ball, pencil box, dice, party hat and gas cylinder are not flat. See, the shape of ball is like a circle, but the ball is not flat. This is a solid shape. Okay, now see pencil box. This is pencil box. This is dice. By seeing, we can say that it has flat shape, but many objects like ball, pencil box and dice, these are not flat in real. These are called solid shapes. Their sides or faces look like a flat shapes such as square, rectangle or circle. See, this is cylinder. This is also a circular shape. Okay, next you have to match the solid objects with correct shape. This is sphere, cube, cuboid, cone and cylinder. Match it with correct shape. Children, now we are learning faces, edges and corners. See here, this is a corner. C-O-R-N-E-R, corner. Okay, and this is face, F-A-C-E, face, and this is called edge, E-D-G-E, edge. Okay, see, this is a rectangle and these are called corners. These are called corners, and this is face. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is called edge. Now see here, this is a cone. This is called vertex, V-E-R-T-E-X, vertex. And this is curved face, C-U-R-V-E-D, curved, F-A-C-E, face. And this is flat face, F-L-A-T, flat, F-A-C-E, face. Okay, next, what is this? Circle. These are curved face, C-U-R-V-E-D, curved, F-A-C-E, face, curved face. Okay, please children, be perfect in these faces, edges and corners. Now see here, what is this? This is cube. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Sphere. Sphere has 1 face, 0 edges and 0 corners. And the cone has 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 corner. And the cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges and 0 corner. Children, see here the base of a dice or a cube. To get a square, we can draw these flat shapes that we have learned about solid shapes. So we can draw this cube or a dice to get a square. Okay, few flat shapes that we have learned about can be drawn with the help of solid shapes. Next, the base of a pencil box. See, it looks like a cuboid. To get rectangle. What is this? Cylinder. The base of a cylinder to get a circle. See, this is the base of a cylinder. If we draw it now, we can get a circle. Children, be perfect in this table and complete this exercise in your textbook. And also match the e-tables to their shapes. Okay. Thank you students, and be ready for the next class.